Hi dear students, welcome to our maths class. The previous class we learned about volume. How can we find volume? Length into breadth into height. Now we are going to discuss about decimal forms. We are for 5th chapter, decimal forms. Decimal comes from the Latin word decimus, meaning tenth. Latin word decimus, decimus meaning tenth. Decimus comes from the Latin word decimus, meaning 10. The root of 10, decimes of 10. To convert, all of you listen, decimal forms. To convert a decimal to fraction, place the number after the decimal point in the numerator and the fraction, place the number 10, 100, 1000, etc. To convert decimal to a fraction, to convert decimal to a fraction, place the number after decimal point in the numerator of the fraction, and place the number 10, 100, 1000. 10, 100, 1000. Okay. All of you listen. Take a textbook. Measuring length. Page number 79. Measuring length. Subtitle: measuring length. Measuring length. To draw a scale, five, 6, 7, 8. The scale measuring is 7 centimeter. Okay. Measuring length, first of all, to draw a pencil, the length of pencil is 6 centimeter. Pencil's length 6 centimeter and 7 millimeter. 6 centimeter and the total length is the 7 centimeter. Pencil's length 6 centimeter and 7 millimeter, 7 millimeter. 1 centimeter is 1 centimeter. One centimeter. 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. Pencil's length 6 centimeter and 7 millimeter. Pencil's length 6 centimeter, 7 millimeter. Pencil's length 6 centimeter and 7 millimeter. 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. That is 1 by 10. That is 1 by 10. 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. That is 1 by 10. Next, a pencil length 8 centimeter. How can convert the decimal form? 8.0 centimeter. 8.0 centimeter. This is the decimal form. 1 centimeter is the 10 millimeter, that is 1 by 10. And as we also write it as we also write it as to be read 6.7 millimeter. Decimal form 7 by 10. 7 by 10 is 6.7 centimeter. We also write it as 6.7 centimeter. 6.7 centimeter to be read 6.7 millimeter. The decimal form 7 by 10. 7 by 10. 10 is the millimeter and decimal form is 6.7 centimeter. It is the decimal form 7 by 10. 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. Okay. Next, millimeter. I can convert the decimal form. 6 by 10. 6 by 10 decimal form, that is the fraction form. 6 by 10. 10 is the millimeter. 10 is millimeter and decimal form 0.6. 0.6. Next, millimeter and meter. Millimeter and meter. One centimeter is 1 millimeter. 1 meter is 1000 meter. millimeter and meter. To convert the millimeter and meter, 1 meter is 100 meter and 1 centimeter is 1 millimeter and 1 meter is 1000 millimeter. 1 meter, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter. Okay. Next activity. Sajin measured the table length 1.1 meter 13 centimeter. 13 centimeter. Again convert the decimal forms and the fractional forms. 1 meter and 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter is 13 centimeter is 13 by 100. 13 by 100. 13 is 13 centimeter is 13 by 100. Again we write the decimal form. The 1 meter 13 centimeter. 13 centimeter. Decimal form is 1.13 centimeter. 1 is the 1 meter 13 centimeter. Okay. Next. Draw measures 1 centimeter 1 centimeter is 1 by 100. 1 centimeter is 1 by 100. Centimeter is 1 by 100. And next write the following. Write the following. Measurements. Write the following measurements of fraction. And decimals, decimal forms. Write the following measurements of fraction and decimal forms. Measurements, fractional form, decimal forms. For centimeter, 3 millimeter, 5 millimeter, 10 meter, 53 centimeter, and 2 kilogram, 150 gram. Next 16 liter, Measurements. Write the following measurements of fraction and decimal form. Measurements 4 centimeter and 3 millimeter. 3 millimeter. 3 millimeter. Fractional form 4 centimeter by 3 by 10. Fractional form 4 centimeter and 3 millimeter. To convert the fractional form 4 centimeter and 3 millimeter. To convert the fractional form 3 by 10. 3 is the millimeter. 3 by 10. Decimal form 4.3 centimeter. 5 millimeter. 5 millimeter. To convert the fractional form 5 millimeter. To convert the fractional form 5 by 10. To convert the decimal form 0.5 centimeter. Next 10 meter 53 centimeter. To convert 10 meter and 53 centimeter. 53 by cm. And next 2 kilogram and 125 gram. Convert the fractional form 2 kilogram 1 by 125 by 1000. To convert the decimal form 2.125 kilogram. And next 325 milliliter. To convert 325 by 1000 liter. Write down your notebook. Next side heading place value. Place value. Next side heading place value. Again find the place value. The number, first number 20.12. Again find the place value. Again find the place value in this number. Place value place value digits 10 1 1 by 10 and 1 by 100. Digits 2, 10 place 2 and 1 place is 0, and after the decimal point is 1 is 10. After the decimal point, the first number is 1 is the 1 by 10, 1, and next number 2, 1 by 100, 1 by 100. The place value of this number, place value 10, 1, 10 place and 1 place. 10 place is 2 and 1 place is 0. And after the decimal point, 1 is 1 by 10 and 2 is 1 by 100. Okay. And next number Can you split the number? Side heading. Can you split the number? First number, second number 522 point place digits, place digits. 428, 100, 10, 1. Decimal form 1 by 10, 1 by 100. Yes, write down 4, place value of 4, 100, place value of 4 is 100, and 2, place value 10, 10 place 2, and 8, place value 1. After the point, the decimal after the point, the first number is 1 by 10, 1 by 10 is 1, and next number 2, the place value 1 by 100, 1 by 100. Okay. Any doubt? Once. The second question. Place digits, digits 100, 10, 1. One by 10, 1 by 100, and 1 by 1000. Okay. Split the number 522, the place value of 5, 5, 100 place, and 2, 10 place, and 1 and 2, 1 place, 522. After the decimal point, 1 place, 1 by 10, 3, 1 by 100, and 4, 1 by 1000. Okay. All of you listen. Write down in your notebook. All students, write down. Any doubt? Okay. Activity first. Sunitha and Sunira divided a ribbon between them Sunitha got 1 4.85 meter. Sunira got 3.75 meter. What was the length of the original ribbon? Sunita and Sunira divided a ribbon between them. Sunita got 4.85 meter. Sunira got 3.75 meter. What is the length of the original ribbon? The length of original ribbon original ribbon 4.85 plus Sunira got 3.75. 3.75. Total length, the length of the original ribbon is 8 meter, 8.60 meter. Okay, 8.60 meter total. Sunita and Sunira divided ribbon between them. Sunita got 4.85 meter and Sunira got 3.75 meter. And add these numbers, Sunita got and Sunira got meter. And the length of the original ribbon is 4.85 plus 3.75 is 8.60 meter. Okay. As activity 2, the sides of triangle, are length 12.4 centimeter, 16.8 centimeter and 13.7 centimeter. What is the perimeter of the perimeter of the triangle? Is the perimeter of this triangle. The sides of triangle are length 12.4 centimeter, 16.8 centimeter and 13.7 centimeter. What is the perimeter of the triangle? The perimeter of the triangle is 12.4 plus 16 plus 8 and 13 plus 7. 8 and 13 plus 7. Forty-two point nine meter. 42.9 meter. Okay, write down in your notebook. Okay, listen to the chart. All of you listen to the chart. Write down in your notebook. And next, more activities. Any doubt? The sides of triangle are length 12.4 centimeter and 16.8 centimeter, 30.7 centimeter. The sides of triangle, triangle sides 3, 12.4 centimeter, 16.8 centimeter, 13.7 centimeter. What is the perimeter of the triangle? What is the perimeter of the triangle? The perimeter of the triangle is 12.4 plus 16.8 plus 13.7 and the total 42.9 centimeter. For add these centimeter. Listen to the chart. Okay, next activities. Faisal travel 3.75 kilometer on bicycle. Faisal travel 3.75 kilometer on bicycle, 12.5 kilometer in a bus, and the remaining distance on foot. Remaining distance is foot. He travelled 17 kilometers in all. He travelled in 17 kilometers in all. What distance did he walk? Total distance. Faisal travelled 3.75 kilometer on bicycle, 12.5 centimeter on bus, and the remaining distance he foot. He travelled 17 kilometer. Total he travelled 17 kilometer in all. What distance did he walk? Total distance travelled 17 kilometer and distance travelled on bicycle. 3.75 kilometer. Distance travelled in bus 12.5 kilometer. Distance he walked 17 minus 3.75 kilometer and 12.5 kilometer, and total he walked 0.75. From a 10.5 meter road on 8.505 centimeter pieces is cut off. What is the length of the remaining piece? The length of the remaining piece, to find the length of the remaining piece. When 12.45 is added to the number and then 8.75 subtracted, the result was 7.34. What is the original number? The original number 7.34 plus 8.75 minus 12.45. Answer 3.64. Write the following measurements in decimal form. Measurements in decimal form and fractional form. The decimal form 50 millimeter and 3 centimeter, 25 centimeter and 4 millimeter, 245 kilogram and 8 gram. 245 kilogram and 8 gram, 16 liter and 125 milliliter. To convert the decimal form, and fractional form 3.57 and 3.57 divided by and by 100 and 4 by 1000. Yes, that is to write the fractional form. Any doubt? Do you understood? Okay, today's class is over. All students should read and study. Thank you.